Hey, so you decided to go on a girls' group cruise trip and you decided to pay for your portion of the cruise through Afterpay.
Vacation with your new girlfriend. Don't include your ex-girlfriend in her debit card. But Deshaun thought it was a good idea.
A family may face legal trouble after posting a viral video showing themselves missing a cruise.
You mean people are out here just scamming, going on cruise ships with no money, using fake cards, and think they're just gonna get away with it? I mean, where there's a will, there's a way. So let's get into it.
Hey, so you decided to go on a girls' group cruise trip and you decided to pay for your portion of the cruise through Afterpay. Okay, cool. But then 3 weeks before the cruise, you disputed the charges as fraudulent. Let's talk about it. This is crazy. So you disputed the charges as fraudulent, but then you had the audacity to show up at the cruise ship thinking you were going to be able to check in and get on and go have guys burgers and dance at the sail away party.
So wait, she disputed the charges and said it's a fraud. So automatically they will cancel the trip because you don't have any money because you said that that was a fraud. So of course they're gonna cancel it. She still show up like, hey.
Excuse me, make it make sense, because this young lady who did this did not get the opportunity to check in or board the cruise. Meanwhile, her friends that were with her left her behind and went ahead and got on the ship, because who's staying behind with your behind after you've did fraud on our vacation? We don't want no parts of that, sis.
So she didn't tell her friends anything. So so you was going to be left behind. You're just going to stand there and take your lift back to wherever you came from. Okay? Because this is ridiculous. Don't be embarrassing us like that.
I'm gonna get on the cruise ship, go have my guys burgers and prepare for the sail away party. You figure that ish out at check-in and you deal with the cruise line to try to figure that ish out or come up with the money if they allow you to pay. Or you're probably gonna get on a list that bans you from the cruise line. Hey, cause why did you do that? What, you thought the dispute takes weeks, months? No, that investigation starts ASAP, hun. We're leaving you behind and getting on the ship.
Dang. That is messed up to do that and put your friends in a position like that to where they're like excited for you to come on this ship with them. They're like, yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, we have plans. Da, da, da. Like, let's say you all book packages together and y'all was gonna do this. I mean, and then you did something like that, and we all found out on the day that it's time to board. We find out that you went and dispute the charge and basically cancel the trip, and you didn't. I wouldn't even know. I'd be like, I'm just getting on the ship and I'll see you when I get back on land. Okay? Bye.
On vacation with your new girlfriend. Don't include your ex-girlfriend in her debit card. But Deshaun thought it was a good idea. Deshaun and his new girlfriend, Layla, go on a cruise to the Bahamas. Multiple excursions, spa treatments, champagne was all being attempted to be paid with Deshaun's ex-girlfriend's debit card, Maya.
Excuse me. So you using the ex-girlfriend's money to pay for the new girlfriend? I says some people have no shame. They have no shame. And why are y'all just letting people have access to your card like
Cruise
that?
pulled off at Port Canaveral. Maya never boarded a cruise ship. She said that she was at home recovering from surgery. I don't know why boyfriend and girlfriends are comfortable giving each other their card and account information, but Deshaun still had Maya's card information saved in his phone from when they were dating. I guess he figured that she wasn't going to notice that money was going to be missing from the account. He sent Maya a text message to verify $198 on an onboard spa package from Carnival. She texted us back letting us know, no, it's not her. Go ahead and reach out, and we want to confirm that she is on a cruise ship. She says, no, I'm not on a cruise ship. I just got off work. We reached out to Carnival, letting them know that we verified that a card that's been used for a passenger that's on a different account. We'll flag the discrepancy and contact the security. I think that you're getting off the boat at Nassau to go on your jet skis, but you have the customs and FBI waiting for you to be escorted off the boat. Charged with identity theft, wire fraud, and unauthorized use of financial Debit card?
So you just get off of work, you're tired, but your card is being used to pay for girlfriend number 2 spa trip? Oh, hell no. I would be so mad. I mean, these scams here keep getting me mad because the audacity, the ridiculousness of it all.
A family may face legal trouble after posting a viral video showing themselves missing a cruise. Living near the port, they saw a ship about to leave and came up with an idea. Even though they couldn't afford tickets, they could film a fake missed ship video to get views. They filmed the scene 5 times until they got the shot they wanted.
So they filmed themselves running to this ship multiple times to get views, to go anything to go viral online.
When they posted it online, the video quickly went viral, hitting 20 million views. What they didn't expect was that real passengers on the cruise captured behind-the-scenes footage of the staged video. The cruise company said that before every departure, they generate a full guest list and contact passengers to make sure everyone boards on time. The company added that the family's fake video could hurt its reputation, and they are considering legal action. The story has sparked discussion online. Some people praise the family's creativity and effort, while others said faking events like this can mislead viewers and damage a company's image. Legal experts warn that chasing views can come with risks. If your video affects others' rights or a company's reputation, you could face civil consequences.
And you should. Faking missing a cruise for views, but there are people who really do genuinely miss their cruises, or, they're kind of running late. And it will put people in this mindset of, oh, they're probably just faking. It's probably just another scam. That's not fair to them, to put them in a position like that when you were just doing it for views.
Hey, it just keeps getting worse. So you mean to tell me you guys are taking your credit card scheming sales across international waters with your credit card fraud? Yeah, 3 men, 1 woman decided to go on a cruise and pack multiple credit cards with multiple identities, get on the MSC cruise ship, go gambling and have an amazing time just gambling away, purchasing tens of thousands of dollars worth of luxury items on the ship, and thought they were getting away with it. No, they're not going to stop you, silly. It's nowhere for you to go. So they want you to just have your fun and rake up all those charges. Because guess what? They know that when we get back to the United States of America and we get to that port and we dock the ship, you have to debark. Yes. And when you debark, it's going to be some transportation waiting for you at the end of the ramp. Yes, free transportation. Yeah.
Y'all, I was one day at work. I'm like stressed out that day, okay? And I'm online trying to purchase tickets for an event. And my card kept getting declined. And I'm like, what is going on? So I go into my account and I see that they have declined other payments. But I don't know those. I don't know those transactions. Somebody was trying to book excursions in London. Oh, hell no. I called that bank so fast. Get rid of it. I want a new card. I want a new card. Okay. And this person actually tried twice to use my card to book excursions in London. I want to go to London. If I'm not going to London, you're not going to London. You're not going on any excursions on my card. If I have to sit at work, you need to go to work and you figure out how to pay for your own excursions. Okay? This mindset of like getting everything easy, getting everything for free, taking other people's hard-earned money to use it on yourself.
They don't care. Yeah, you decided to go on an international credit card spree on a cruise ship and thought you were going to get off the cruise ship and go and possibly sell those items. Nope. See, what MSC did was they contacted the authorities in Miami to wait for you upon the ship's arrival at the ramp. And when you kindly tried to debark the ship, they arrested you. And now you are in Miami in jail awaiting charges to be brought up on you on all type of charges. I mean, yeah, not just United States charges, but those federal international charges, all of that just stacked on each other. Like you really did a number on those charges. Yeah, that was so smart. Yeah, people, don't do credit card fraud on vacation. Don't do it at all. But on vacation internationally on a ship, oh, it just keeps getting worse. Till next time, safe travels, everyone. Bye.
Yes, please be careful because look, you might be trying to, I know my channel's about budgeting, but y'all, you can't budget if people stealing your money. Okay? You can't budget if somebody's just, going on vacations with your credit card or with your debit card. Okay, so I want you guys to just be careful and be monitoring your account to see what transactions are happening. Because I honestly, that was an account that I rarely ever use. Like my payments are split to where one, some of my paycheck goes in one account, the other one, and the rest goes in another account. And I was using that card for the other account, and it just kept declining. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. I don't even use money from that account like that. And that's why I happened to go in the app and saw that somebody was trying to go on vacation in London with my card. And no, I had to like shut that down real quick. So that is that. So that's what I have for you guys. Just be safe, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.